Okay guys, so you got all your carving done, okay? Let's do a spit test. You can see the color of the wood, okay? So this could be a part, not this step, but the next step after when I'm staining it or whatever I want to do is your make or break. As you're all beginning, most of you are beginning carving and you're staining it and treating it with different things. But this is the part that really makes it or breaks it, okay? In my opinion, when I decide what I'm going to do, if I'm going to oil it or what I'm going to use. But before that, I got this Dremel Multi-Pro variable speed. This is an old Dremel, the older type Dremel flex shaft, guys. Still a real good tool. Okay, I got these little flap sanders made. This is, what grit is this? I think this is 240 grit. Or no, sorry, this is 180 grit on here. See how soft it is? Okay, I'm going to be doing a review on this sandpaper. I just ordered some from Amazon or eBay for a box of different grits. So I'm going to start off with the 80 grit on this. You guys, you can go to my playlist. You can see how I make these exactly on my playlist. Okay, so if the 80 grits, because this is hardwood, guys, if the 80 grit's not good enough, then I'll switch over to this worn out 80 grit. So the 180 grit's no good, then I'll switch over to the 80 grit. And I'm just going to run this slowly. Let's see. Oh, I got to plug it in first. I'm going to run it slowly and go around and sand the whole piece. You guys, I really got to say that flap sander thing that I've made here, somebody else created it on YouTube. I forget who it is on his channel, but it's a game changer. I really suggest you look on my playlist how I make it and you make one, because I used to hate sanding. Who doesn't? Most boringest shit in the world. But guys, I'm telling you, look how quick I spent about 5 minutes sanding this and it's done. Game changer, guys. Game changer. Okay, guys. So I got it all sanded up with 180 grit, and that's good enough for me. You can see how this hardwood really takes a good polish. Okay? So like I said, I like this guy. I think he's cool. He's looking at the windstorm going, what the hell's coming over here? It's a windstorm. It's a tornado. So I think, you know, this is the part that can make or break your piece, as we're all learning. I've tried a whole bunch of different things. I've tried polyshade, stains, oils, boiled linseed oil, everything. So sometimes you just got to do use what you have on hand. You know, so I think I'm not going to stain this. I'm not going to... this is my very first carving of gumwood, and possibly my last carving of gumwood. I'm not sure. I'd like to say thanks again to Pete for the piece of wood. It's a hardwood, that's for sure. Did I enjoy carving it? Meh. I didn't hate it. So, like guys, for this video, I really took my time on this piece to show you guys, you know, like... So, anyways, what I've decided to use is this tung oil to finish this off, okay? I'm not going to paint in here. I'm not going to paint in the nostrils. I'm not going to paint in the pupils. I'm just going to do one color of tung oil because, well, it's gumwood, and then I just want you to see that it's gumwood. I don't think this thing needs any anything else. Just do it one color. Okay, so I already got this in the little cup. I got this foam thing here. I don't have a rag, so just give me 2 seconds. I'm going to go get a rag. Okay, I grabbed a rag. So I should be wearing gloves, but I don't have any here right now. So let's put this stuff on. Oh, it kind of looks like mahogany. I'd say a little bit. Yeah, I know I waste lots of stuff, guys, and you're going to see the oil dropping off here and whatever. And guess what? I don't care. Well, might as well get all of it. You guys, when you use oil, that's when you see the true color of the wood, right? So I just wanted this one to show the true color. Because, you know, if I carve this stuff all the time, I could use different types of dyes, stains or dyes or whatever. But this one, I just wanted to see the true color of the wood. If that makes sense. So there you go. Now let me get this started wiping off here. Pretty neat color of wood. Went a lot darker than I thought it would actually. I like it. Okay, so let me get this all cleaned up and then I'll be back and we'll talk about this series for a minute. Okay guys, so here it is done. I turned the other light off so you guys can get a better look at the true color. So it's not too bright. Sign your pieces, people, sign it. You know, for carving like this, it's pretty light. Well, not too light, but I just drill a hole in the back so somebody can put a nail in the wall, it sticks on the nail. But I drill the hole this way up so it grabs, right? But anyways, no, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Just goes to show you, if you take your time, you know, you can do something, you can do better. You guys can all do better. The more you do, the better you're going to get. So let me turn this other light on here. So you guys got to realize too, with this oil, it's still got to dry. It's still going to darken up as it dries. I just finished wiping it off, so it's still wet, okay? But I want to show you guys something. You know, I really hope that this tutorial has been able to reach somebody out there and they can find this helpful and start carving the wood spirits and find a hobby that they really enjoy doing. Because guys, like I said, anybody can make these. Anybody can. I want to show you, I saved one of my first wood spirits, guys. So like, save your first carvings. Even if you think it looks like a piece of donkey shit, put it away in the closet, save it, okay? I want to show you one of my first wood spirits I did, I believe it was 4 years ago. Look at this guy. It's a friggin' Ewok cell phone. Look, it's like a little antenna on it. But look at, so you guys look at your first carvings and look at my first carvings. That's why when you guys send me pictures to upload on my World Wood Carvers videos, I put them all on. I don't think anything's not good enough, guys. Because look, from this to this. Look at his little pudge nose, guys. Look at, well, it's just silly. But it led to this. It's leading to this. And they're just going to keep getting better and better and better. And I'm going to keep making them. And I'm going to keep making YouTube videos of me making them. Because guess what? I don't give a shit. From this to this. You guys, I hope this series really helps somebody. If this is your watching the first video in the series, go back and start at 1. You'll see every carving burr I used to make this and all the tools I used to make this. Oh, man. That's why I'm saying, guys, keep your first carvings. Look, I even signed this one. This one's got a JJ, but I didn't even clean the back up. I'd say it's a big difference, guys. Sure would. Hope everybody's great. I hope this can help you.